Should you put your primary residence in an LLC? Hi, everyone. My name is Dan Wynn. I'm a business attorney in Orange County, California. And today I'm going to talk about whether you should put your primary residence in an LLC. Now, if you're a real estate investor, you probably already have one of your rental properties inside an LLC for asset protection purposes. But what if you put your primary residence inside an LLC? Now, it's not really wrong to think about it because it's logical, right? You want to protect your personal assets, your bank account, your personal bank accounts, other personal high value items that you have from creditors. And obviously, your primary residence is probably one of the highest value things that you own. But whether you should put your primary residence in an LLC, it remains to be seen. So I'll talk about a couple of things that you might lose if you transfer your primary residence into an LLC. One is that you might lose your mortgage deduction on your tax returns. So you're probably getting a mortgage deduction as part of your paying your taxes. And if you put your primary residence in LLC, you might lose this benefit. Two, you might lose a homestead exemption. So at least in California, there is a certain amount of equity that will be protected in your home from creditors. And if your home is in an LLC, if your primary residence is in an LLC, you might lose this homestead exemption if you transfer it to an LLC. And the third one is that you might lose the capital gains exemption of your primary residence if you sell. So, under IRS rules, for married couples, you have a $500,000 capital gains exemption, and for single persons, you have a $250,000 capital gains exemption for your primary residence that you've lived in 2 out of the last 5 years. So, what do you do if you want additional asset protection but can't transfer your primary residence into an LLC? So, one of the things you can do is think about increasing your insurance coverage, whether on the business side or on the personal side. That way, you can increase your protection, have the insurance company take care of the attorney, take care of paying out the settlement, and all you have to do is pay your premiums. Okay, so this is Dan talking about asset protection. Excuse me, putting your primary residence in your LLC. Now, if you want some more information about putting your real estate investments in an LLC, go ahead and watch the other videos I have available. And if you have questions, go ahead and reach out to us and we'll see how we can help. This is Dan. Talk to you soon. Bye.